Hi everyone, I had to make some inchies for swaps. I wanted to show you what I did and then we can make one together. So inchies are an inch by an inch square, and I have this little square scallop punch, so I just used that, and it's a little bit bigger than an inch, maybe an inch and a quarter. It's not an inch and a half, but um I figured close enough, and I liked the scallop edge because it gave it something a little different. So this one just has a little pie on it with, we have to put either a button or a bow, and that says life is good. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to distress it a little bit. Usually I distress the words, but I did these at home and my distress ink was at work. So I got that one. And then I have another one here that is just a little flower button, and I put some little lace I had left over. So I made that, and I'll just ink this up a little bit too. I think that helps. And the background for this one is, it was just like a gold, white paper with gold, that cardstock I had for a while. And actually I made these with cereal boxes. The cereal box, the piece that's like this big, like the sides, fits perfectly for these. So you could cut them all out with your punch, or just cut a 1 inch square out of those and then put your papers on top. So this one is a textured paper. I use this paper when I make wedding journals. It's really pretty. Then I just put a flower on that one with a little button in the middle. So again, I'll just distress this one a little bit. Okay. I have this one that says, you can never have too much happy. Some Tim Holtz small talk words with another little button there. I just want to distress this too. We have to make 6 of them. So I'll do that. I've done that. I've done 5. I'll make one with you, and then this swap will be ready to be sent out. But we're not getting partners until another couple of weeks, I think. I like to stay ahead on everything. So there, that looks a little bit better. And I have this one that I included a bow, and it just says love. So it's got a bow and a little button in the middle. Stress the bow a little bit too, make it, there we go. So we have that one, and let's make one together. I have this very pretty I got this paper pack from the Fairy Wings, and this is a pretty pink. And then so I put it on, I glued it on the back of the cereal box. And I have this button here that I think goes really cute with it. And I have some lace. So I'm thinking I'll put a little bit of lace with maybe the button, and then I have this cute little butterfly, and maybe I'll have that somewhere on this little inchie. So let's see what we come up with here. Let me get my glue. These are the first time I've made inchies. I've never made inchies before. Let's stick this little button here. So it's kind of like that. I might cut that a little bit. And then I'd really like to stick this little butterfly. I think it's adorable. Yeah, I think I'm going to stick him right there just because he's so cute. So let me try to cut off some of the shank a little bit better than that. And my butterfly goes flying. That looks about good. So I'll stick him on. Oh, it's so cute. And he's even got a little face. He's got little face, a smiley face. That is really cute. And I'll distress this one. Okay, let's see. I think what I will do is I'm going to cut the excess off. Okay, let's see. Oh, the butterfly came off. I gotta fix him. Yeah, I think that's cute. Just put a little bit on the corner like that. I'll put him back on here. I might put him on with a little bit of hot glue just to make sure he stays. So that's the one we made together. I think it's really cute. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.